Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a media to folder in Sora AI. If you want to add your medias to a folder in Sora AI so that you can organize it, first of all, open a web browser and then type in sora.openai.com and search. Once you're inside the homepage of Sora AI, go ahead and click on My Media on the left-hand side corner. You will be able to open up all of your medias that you've generated. You'll then land in your library page where you can find all of your media. Go ahead and select the media you'd like to add or move to a folder. At the top of the media thumbnail, click on the three dots and then click on Add to Folder and select the folder where you want to add the media clip to. After choosing the folder, the video will be added to the folder that you've chosen. Now, if you go and open up that folder, you'll be able to find the selected and added media inside it. And that's how you easily add a media to a folder in Sora AI. This helps you keep your projects organized and easy to manage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.